Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to reset sound settings on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Sound. Click Volume Mixer, click Reset. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Audio Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Right-click Windows Audio Service, click Restart. Third method is change System Sounds in Windows search bar, click Chagny System Sounds. Change to Windows Default, click Apply, click OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.